Good morning, everyone. Good morning, celebrities. How are you? Are you good? Are you good? Okay. Now, all of you open your workbook, page 87, 17.4. The areas of compound shapes. Compound shapes. Part 3. Now, open your workbook, page 87. Now I'm gonna discuss some questions. For the first question, question 1, it's very easy. Here you have two rectangles. Just divide the shape, or it's already divided by A and B. For B, you have a square and a triangle. Find the area of the square and the area of the triangle, then add them. All the instructions are clear. Now for question 2, the same idea for question 2. Now let's talk about question 3b. Question 3b, work out the area of each compound shape. Here we have for A, it's very easy. A also here divide to a rectangle and a triangle. Now B, here we have a triangle, a rectangle, rectangle and semicircle. So here 12 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter. Let's say this is number 1, this is number 2. It's clear we have a semicircle and a rectangle. So the total area, the area of number 1 plus the area of number 2. Now let's work on the area of number 1, which is rectangle. Length times width, so any rectangle length, width. So here the area equals length times width. Now here for number 1, the area of number 1, which is 8 times 12, 8 times 12, which is I think 96. 8 times 12, 96, yes, equals 96 centimeter squared. Now for number 2, it's a semicircle. First of all, find the area of a full circle, then divide by 2. So here the area for number 2 equals by r squared, then divide the result by 2. So 3.14. Here the radius, look, this is the diameter. Diameter is 12. Now the radius is 6. Here the radius is 6, since the diameter is 12, since the radius is a half of diameter. So 6 squared divided by 2. 6 squared, 6 times 6, 36. 36 times 3.14. Then divide the result by 2. Do it in your notebook. Do the calculations. So here equals 56.52. Now here the total area for number 1, 96, plus number 2, 56.52 equals, add them together, 152.52 centimeter square. This is for question 3b. For question 4, here you have to use the subtraction way. Here we are talking about the shaded area. Now for the first shape, here we have two rectangles. Find the area of each of them, then take away the area of the small rectangle. For the second shape, you have here trapezium and triangle inside the trapezium. Find the area for each of them, then take away the area of that triangle from the trapezium. Now for the last shape, I'm gonna discuss the last shape with you. The last shape, here we have two circles inside each other. This is the first circle. This is the second. Okay, now we are talking about this area. Here we have two circles. Find the area of the large one and the small one. Then take away the small one from the large one. Okay. Now, this is the center. This is the center. So from here to here, it's 9 meter. 9 meter. From here to here, this is 10 meter. 10 meter. So here we have number 1. Let's say this is number 2. The area of number 1 equals pi r squared, which is 3.14 times 9 squared, which is 9 squared, yani 9 times 9, 81. Now 81 times 3.14 times 9 equals 254.34 meter squared. Now the area for the large one by r squared, which is 3.14 times the radius for the large one, 10 squared, and 10 times 10, which is 100, times 3.14, which is 314. Now the total area, or the shaded area, the shaded area equals 2 minus 1, which is 254.34 minus 314 equals no, I think I did a mistake here. I did a mistake, so 10. Oh yeah, this is the mistake. I switched between them. So 314 minus 254.34. Now subtracting decimals equals 59.66 meter square. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you so much and have a nice day.